We're gonna step this up now. Let's go to something bigger, yeah? Into the bowl. Into the bowl. We're in the bowl. All right. Hey, so look at the vert wall right now.
Okay.
Yeah, see, and you can see the distance now, so it looks a lot bigger. So, so you can tell already you're gonna need some speed, right?
Yeah.
But the cool thing is, when you pop off of this, the more speed gives you a little more time to decide whether you like it or not. So you'll be able to pop and then kick your board back and go into a bail. We're gonna start with those first, yeah. Try to match that entrance angle of the tape line. Remember, nice and slow drop and start slow. Good. Remember, keep that head in. Ah, good bail, good bail. So misfired a little bit, right? Typically that comes from standing up too fast before you pop. So you stood your body up and then you tried to pop, but you already stood up too much.
Sounds good.
Okay, so stay tucked down into your pop this time. And I want you to slow it down even more. Okay, we're gonna start a little bit slower. Don't worry about trying to clear this gap. Okay, this will be more of our goal at the end. But for now, let's stay in between this and just try to ollie over this infinity sign that's spray painted on there. Now, for everybody who's watching, if you're gonna copy me and you wanna put tape lines like this as a visual guide, these are about 45 degrees. Remember, nice, slow. Get a couple carves, like quick carves right here in the flat. Slow yourself down a little bit more. Really keep that head in. Woo! Oh! Getting gnarly. Way to commit, dude. I seen that head start going back. I was like, no!
That feels so good. I like that a lot.
You like that?
Okay, not the last part.
But hey, I'm stoked that you're digging these ollies, dude.
Oh, it's so much fun.
Go ahead, get it again. Start over a little bit further. Did you feel those quick little carves slowing you down a little bit? Yeah, so that's something I do to help me slow down. Really keep that head in. Good. Hey, so much better, dude. Now that you're starting to get a nice rhythm of staying tucked down into that pop, now we're gonna start to cut out those carves to slow it down, okay? I want you to feel that speed of carrying you up, and you feel that that speed carries you across your distance that you want to clear. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So you're not pumping up this. You're just getting your speed and figuring out the angle of your trajectory and if that speed is going to carry you across the distance of your gap. Nice and slow. Ah. So that was a good example and we needed that. So that's what happens if you wait too long, right? So you missed your pop because you waited a little too long. And again, that's an interesting feeling because it feels like you break your rhythm. Yeah. It's like you misstep while you're dancing or something, you know?
I felt so when I was late, I was like, this is not happening.
Yeah, exactly. Start to line up your carve early. Okay. So that's going to be the next little bit of advice for you and everybody else. Once you drop in, don't be trying to carve into your line. Like try to find yourself a nice straight shot so that you can get lined up early. So like, let's see, last time you dropped in here, right? So as you drop in, you're making kind of a sharp carve. It's not too sharp, but it is, but you're having to carve, right? Drop in on the corner, I'm gonna show you why. So go ahead, put that board over on the corner right here. Now look, your board is the arrow, okay? So everybody can't see it, but they can see where the vert wall is. So I want you to slide around to aim that arrow to line it up with that blue line way out there. See what I'm talking about? Keep your rhythm, pay attention to your foot placement. Make sure you line up into your line and right as you pop, you want to start to lean that head in to match your angle of your landing, okay? Big deep breath. Feel your ramp here. Better.
I think I need to adjust where my vision is at. Like, I think I need to look a little more into the ramp.
Yeah, I want you to, yeah, exactly. So right now you're having that habit, which a lot of people do, and that's where the shoulders are parallel with the imaginary coping, right? If there's coping right behind you, you're landing your wheels down, but you're not leaning in for that landing. That's it. Yup, body goes where the head goes is right. Do you feel like you're pumping up and into it, or are you staying tucked down as you pop and ride up the ramp?
I feel like I'm staying tucked down.
You're staying tucked down?
Pop off the vert wall.
Okay, good. Now I want you to pump up a little bit and into your pop. Feel that pump up now, okay? So because what we're gonna do is we're gonna start to push it. We're gonna start to go a little bit higher, and in doing so, I want you to kind of pump up and into your pop now, okay? Ah, good slide out. Dude, that was actually really good.
I just panicked.
That's okay, that's okay. And the best part of that is you panicked, but you didn't freeze. You panicked and you knew to get to that knee slide. Okay. Good job. Good, dude. Nice. Front side and backside ollie's gonna really complement each other, man. They're gonna look good. Good. Now that you're getting better at this, now we're gonna start to move a little bit closer to the line so that you can kind of drop in where you were. Okay, because you've got this good. You got all your time to set up. Now you've got more confidence with your ollie. So now we're gonna get a little bit closer. We're gonna start back where we were on the coping here and drop in kind of into a nice smooth rainbow carve, connecting everything. A little late, but you hung on to it. So the pump up was really good, but again, you landed with those, yep, you landed with that board straight.
I'm looking, yeah.
Yeah, because your body wants to come down, it pulls you right off.
Yes, sir.
Hey, that carve and pop was awesome, dude. Okay. Yeah, Leighton. Woo! We're gonna add to it again.
I'm with it.
Now we're gonna take it into a little bit bigger transition. So now that you got this rainbow shape, right? Now we're gonna tighten it up even more. And eventually our goal is going to be straight up, straight down.
Okay.
For now, we can push right here. We'll push right here, and let me see a straight up, straight down backside kick turn. That's right. What's your question?
Going at it, doing a small kick turn and a small pop to it, leaning over that front foot.
Just make the smallest, tightest little rainbow.
With it.
Not straight up and down quite yet, but let's make that small, smooth little rainbow, okay?
I'm with it.
Maybe like a foot or two in between your rainbow lines. So pretty tight. Really keep that head in. Ah, good, good, good. So this time stay tucked down. Try to pop and keep your body down. Remember, stay tucked down. Ah. Ah. And there's Leighton's bad habit there. Hope everybody's learning from him. So again, we got to get that kick turn motion so that the shoulders are landing back down into your landing line.
All right.
Okay, because right now you're landing, when you slam like that, you're landing with your shoulders matching more of the coping, and then your board just stops because your wheels can't roll that way.
Understandable.
Right, your wheels are wanting to roll across instead of down. So a little more carve into your pop and continue your turn motion. Light kick turn. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Now everything looks fantastic. I see an issue here. Earlier, I want you to pop earlier.
Okay.
While you're learning this, you can pop a little bit earlier, but not later. Good, good, good. So you got a little more action out of that one. Okay, try it again. Stay that body tucked down. Yeah. Good, that's it. Good. Don't worry about some big, amazing ollie that's, the crowd pleaser. Right now, it's just try to get your rhythm. Beautiful. Best one yet. Little more straight up and down. Remember, head in. Good, dude. That's what I'm talking about. Good, getting those feet set, head in. Good, that's it. Nice smooth landing, dude. You're really starting to feel it out and slow down your timing. And it's apparent. Like, it looks good. It looks so much more controlled and smooth.
Feels good too.
Yeah, it looks way more like delicate and flowing, right? And not all choppy and rough and like sketchy, right?
Like it.
So that's sick. A little more speed. A little more speed. You got the knee pads on? Hey, that's it. Yeah.
That feels incredible.
Dude, that was a good one. That was like up by the blue dot, man.
Oh wow, really?
Yeah.
Damn.
Woo! So sick. Just 7-foot bowl, man.
That is
Like, we just went over this today, and now you're doing it up there again, just like the ollie to fakie video, dude. Now you're starting to rail them out every time you're getting up there by that blue dot or higher.
Feels beautiful. Man.
Yeah, that last one was cool, man.
It feels really cool.
Hey, I'm proud of you, dude. That's awesome, man. And way to commit, dude. Seriously. Hey.
This has been a fantastic session, man.
Hey, thanks for trying so hard, dude. I'm proud of you, man.
What? This is sick. I just learned a whole new trick. Like,
hey.
it feels incredible.
Thanks, man. And thank you for letting me film this.
Oh,
I'm gonna share this with everybody, and hopefully a bunch of people learn from it. Inspires people, all good, man. Remember to like this video. If you really learned something from this video, even anything, like this video so it spreads to more people. We need your help and your support to make this happen. So again, thank you so much for supporting us. Share this channel with your friends and let me know what you think. And I want to know what other videos you guys would like to see. Leave me a comment. Thanks so much. Have an awesome day.